Powered by Plascon, today's handy heroes come from Paintsmiths Hermanus.
So we Paintsmiths Hermanus, we version 3.0, and the reason for the 3.0 is we moved 3 times. So hopefully this is our final destination. We've expanded the store a bit, we've brought a whole new customer section in. So we've got a whole new color walls here, Plascon colors, some of our custom colors. And then we've got a whole new tinting bay with all our new machines. So we are full on Plascon and Midas store. Where we've taken it from to where we're now, in 6 years we've grown it quite a bit. We've serviced Hermanus. We basically do anything you need for your painting needs. I think the best thing is just people come in here, they actually trust us what we do, and then we help them with their projects. We go out of our way to make things happen, and we try and do the best for our customer and make sure that the projects run as they want it, and make sure they've got the right products on the wall. I've started the store, we've been in the Plascon brand, and they've got good products, and it's products you can trust, and they've got a good support network. So yeah, so it's an easy product to go to. My favorite Plascon product is VelvaGlow. It's very user-friendly. Least of our problems we find is with VelvaGlow. And the application, especially in the DIY industry, VelvaGlow is always easy to do, where some of the other products you need a bit of more technical skill. So yeah, I would say VelvaGlow. My DIY tip would be ask as many questions you can and let the guys come out and actually show you what they're going to do. Just buying a tin of paint for a certain price doesn't mean it's going to do what you want it to do. And that's where most of the misperception comes in around paint. People believe something is either expensive or cheap, but if you go and look at the detail, it's what actually tells you what the right product is.
Handy heroes, powered by Plascon. Together, we've got this.
South Africans know tough. It's built into our DNA. We know how to outweather and outlast the harshest conditions. When the cracks start to show, we go the extra mile. Our strength is legendary. Our resilience, iconic. And despite the odds, we know what gets the job done. Microtex, strong enough to endure anything.